So I recently took the back plate off of this Pulsar watch, and now that I try to get it back in, it's just not, it's not staying, so it's just loose. So I want to try to get it back on using this watch press. Now I tried it before on a different watch and it worked perfectly. I want to see if I can use it on this square back plate and see if I get the same result. So let's first align the back plate the way it should be, which is that part right there. This part goes here. Let's align that first, make sure the battery's in there properly, which it is. Okay, let's put our back plate on there. As you can see, it's not working, so let's put it on the watch press and let's try to get it so that we can press down on it and hopefully it'll solve the problem. Okay, here we go. Okay, you heard it snap. Hopefully it didn't break the front of the watch, but we'll find out soon enough. If we did, then we're in trouble. But I think we're okay. Okay, so now it's back on there. It's pretty tight. Let's look at the front. Okay, looks like it's working. None of it cracked, which is, I was hoping it wouldn't. So yeah, there it is. Nice and tight. So that worked out perfectly. So it works even on the square backs of watches. So the Jorest watch press. Very nice. Let me know if that was useful to you. Leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more tutorials on watches, check out my link right here. Check out that playlist. Let me know your thoughts.